you a little trick, okay? What's your name? Hi, Bev. How you doing? My name's Roger. I'll tell you what we're going to do, Bev. We've got a deck of cards here. See, it's your regular deck. What I'm going to have you do, Bev, if you don't care, is just I'm going to have you pick a card. I want you to look at it. That's great. And once I turn my back, you can show it around, but then I want you to just sign your name right across the top of it there on the face of the card. I'll turn my back, and you can go ahead and show it around there a little bit, and sign your name right onto the face of the card. And once you get that done, you just tell me you're ready.
I'm ready.
Cool. Now what I'd like you to do, Bev, is just set the pen down on the table. It'll be fine. I just want you to say stop anywhere here.
Stop.
Right there. You just place your card in, and I'll close up the deck. What we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on Bev's card. Are you ready? Keep your eye on it. Boom, just like that. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that your card right there? Is that your signature right here, Bev? That's it. Thank you very much. Ready? Keep your eye on it. Boom, just like that. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
What'd you think about that trick?
That was good.
Was it great?
Yeah.
What'd you think about that trick, sir?
It was amazing.
Thank you very much for that trick, young lady.
It was good.
Thank you very much.
Concentrate on your card right here.
All right.
Just concentrate on the deck, concentrate. Just a little snap of the finger.
And it did.
One card jumps out.
Bob
And
card.
there it is, the Bob card.
What'd you think about that trick?
It's fantastic. When I saw that signed card pop out of the deck, I'm like, you don't see that every day. That was really good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That was too big for my son.